The next thing we need to take off is the pallet fork, and that's part of the escapement also. And that is held in place by this bridge right here. And it's held on by 2 screws. So we'll take those screws off and we should be able to lift it right out. I've loosened both of the screws. One of them came out with a screwdriver, so it's not there right now. The other one's still in the movement, so we need to lift it out very carefully because this is a teeny little screw. Oh, that just flew across my workstation, but fortunately landed right in front of me. There we go. Okay. Now we'll reach in there and get the pallet fork itself out. I'm having a hard time seeing that on camera, so I'm going to have to do that off camera using an eye loop.